I got pregnant at 16, but sadly. Hi, I am super burned out mom, 30, with a hubby, 33. High school sweethearts kami. 14 ako and 17 siya when we became official. Hindi siya yung first love ko kasi I was the outgoing type before. Party, smoke, drink, ganon. Pero siya yung first touch ko and last na rin. May principle talaga ko na kung sino yung first, siya na talaga. I got pregnant at 16 and gave birth. Pero sadly, our baby passed away after a week. After that, tinuloy ko studies ko. Graduated college with his help. Then eventually got a decent job. Ngayon, we're living comfortably. May bahay and small business. Lahat galing sa sarili kong pera. What really bothers me is sobrang calm niya kahit ang dami na naming pinagdaanan. Parang nasanay siya na kinakaya ko lahat. Our setup was siya yung mag-aalaga sa anak namin na 3 years old ang gagawa ng household chores since I was assigned sa malayong lugar for work. Pero ang nangyari, tuwing uuwi ako, parang ako pa rin ang gumagawa ng halos lahat. Gumigising siya around 10 a.m. tapos naka-phone lang lagi. Online games, casino, Facebook, kung ano-ano. Wala naman third parties pero honestly, sobrang fed up na ako. Pakiramdam ko parang may dalawang anak akong inaalagaan. I don't feel valued at all. And ang unfair lang. Kaya kaya naman niyang maghanap buhay. Kinaya nga niya before habang nag-aaral pa ako. So anong nangyari ngayon? I get it. Alpha woman ako. Strong and independent. Pero may soft side din ko. Gusto ko ring inalagaan ako. I know I can do better without him. To be honest, parang hindrance na yung tingin ko sa kanya these days. So now, I'm asking myself, should I let him go? Or hintayin ko pa na siya magising? LOL.